Origin and evolution of organisms are central themes in biology, addressing how life emerged on Earth and diversified over billions of years. From the formation of the first simple cells to the complex web of life observed today, this journey is marked by significant milestones shaped by chemical, environmental, and genetic factors. Below is a comprehensive overview of the key theories, processes, and evidence underpinning our understanding of life's origins and evolution. The question of how life originated on Earth remains one of science's greatest mysteries. Abiogenesis, the process by which life arises from non-living matter, is the most widely accepted scientific explanation. Various hypotheses propose mechanisms for this transition, rooted in the chemistry and conditions of early Earth. The primordial soup hypothesis, first proposed by Alexander Oparin and John B.S. Haldane in the 1920s, this hypothesis suggests that Earth's early atmosphere, rich in methane, ammonia, hydrogen, and water vapor, facilitated the formation of organic molecules in shallow oceans. Miller-Urey experiment, 1953. Stanley Miller and Harold Urey simulated early Earth conditions in a laboratory, demonstrating the formation of amino acids, the building blocks of life, from simple gases and electrical sparks. Challenges. Critics argue that the early atmosphere may have contained more carbon dioxide and nitrogen than methane and ammonia, altering the chemical pathways. Hydrothermal vent hypothesis. Deep-sea hydrothermal vents, rich in minerals and heat, are proposed as cradles of life. Here, complex organic molecules could form in the presence of catalytic surfaces like iron-sulfur minerals. Alkaline vents. These vents, with their natural pH gradients and warm temperatures, offer a plausible environment for the formation of protocells. Support. Modern extremophiles, organisms thriving in extreme environments, suggest that life could originate under such conditions. Panspermia hypothesis. Panspermia posits that life, or its precursors, came to Earth from space. Organic compounds found on meteorites, such as amino acids and nucleotides, support the idea that life's building blocks exist beyond Earth. Evidence. The discovery of complex organics on comets, e.g. Rosetta mission, and interstellar dust, bolsters this hypothesis. Limitations. Panspermia does not explain how life initially formed, only how it might have been distributed. The transition from simple organic molecules to living cells marks a pivotal step in the origin of life. Protocells, primitive cell-like structures, are believed to have been precursors to true cells. Lipid membranes. Amphiphilic molecules like lipids spontaneously form bilayers in water, creating compartments capable of concentrating organic molecules. RNA world hypothesis. RNA, capable of both storing genetic information and catalyzing reactions, likely preceded DNA and proteins in early life forms. Ribozymes, RNA molecules with enzymatic functions, support this idea. Metabolic pathways. Primitive metabolic networks, such as the reverse Krebs cycle, may have emerged before the evolution of complex enzymatic systems. Once life emerged, it diversified through evolution, driven by natural selection, genetic variation, and environmental pressures. Key milestones in the history of life include prokaryotes, single-celled organisms without a nucleus, appeared around 3.5 billion years ago. Fossilized stromatolites provide evidence of their existence. These organisms shaped Earth's atmosphere by releasing oxygen during photosynthesis, leading to the Great Oxidation Event around 2.5 billion years ago. The endosymbiotic theory suggests that eukaryotic cells arose when prokaryotic cells engulfed others, forming organelles like mitochondria and chloroplasts. Mitochondria and chloroplasts have their own DNA and replicate independently, supporting their evolutionary origins as free-living bacteria. Multicellular organisms emerged around 1.5 billion years ago. Cooperation among cells allowed for specialization and greater complexity. Early multicellular life included algae and simple animals like sponges. Approximately 541 million years ago, life underwent rapid diversification, resulting in the emergence of most major animal phyla. The Burgess Shale in Canada contains well-preserved fossils from this period, showcasing the sudden appearance of complex organisms. The diversity of life arises through evolutionary mechanisms, first described by Charles Darwin and later expanded by modern genetics. Organisms better adapted to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing on advantageous traits. Mutations, changes in DNA sequences, introduce genetic variation. While many are neutral or harmful, some provide beneficial traits. Random changes in allele frequencies, particularly in small populations, can lead to significant evolutionary changes over time. The formation of new species occurs when populations become reproductively isolated, diverging genetically. Fossil record, tracing the history of life. The fossil record provides a window into the history of life, documenting major evolutionary transitions. Transitional fossils, examples like Archaeopteryx, linking dinosaurs to birds, and Tiktaalik, linking fish to tetrapods, illustrate evolutionary links. Mass extinctions, events like the Permian-Triassic extinction, 252 million years ago, and the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction, 66 million years ago, reshaped life on Earth, paving the way for new dominant species. Humans share a common ancestor with primates, diverging around 6 to 7 million years ago. Key developments in human evolution include bipedalism. Early hominins like Australopithecus afarensis, e.g., Lucy, walked upright, freeing hands for tool use. Brain expansion. Homo habilis and later species developed larger brains, enabling advanced tools, language, and culture. Modern humans. Homo sapiens emerged around 300,000 years ago, spreading globally and developing agriculture, art, and complex societies. Philosophical and cultural perspectives. The origin and evolution of organisms have inspired philosophical and cultural interpretations throughout history. Religious views. Many traditions propose divine creation or intelligent design as explanations for life's origins. Philosophical questions. Evolution raises questions about humanity's place in nature, free will, and the meaning of life. The origin and evolution of organisms represent a dynamic and ongoing process, shaped by natural laws and random events. Advances in fields like genetics, paleontology, and astrobiology continue to refine our understanding, offering glimpses into life's profound complexity and resilience. As we explore the cosmos, the possibility of discovering extraterrestrial life adds a new dimension to this timeless quest.